Hello, this video is about solving quadratic equations which are of the form in trinomial form. And trinomial comes from the base of the word tri, which is 3, and it has 3 terms in it. So ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where c is a constant and the a, which is the coefficient of the x squared, is equal to 1. So this video is about solving equations that are like this. Okay, so solve x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And remember, the coefficient of the x squared is just a 1. So we look at the 2 and we work out what are the factors of 2 that add up, that multiply to give me 2 and add up to give me 3. Well, it's pretty easy in this case, it's 1 and 2. And so I can use these factors now of the 1 and 2 to simply write my factors of the quadratic. So x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 0. This 1 and 2 come from here. And then I can say x plus 1 equals 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. And that means that x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to negative 2. Okay, let's have a look at another one of these. Okay, so solve x squared plus 7x plus 6. So I look at the 6 and I get the factors of 6 which are going to add up to 7. 2 and 3, they do multiply to give me 6, but they do not add up to 7. Again, 1 and 6. Notice it doesn't matter which order I write these in, so they're my factors, and I can write x plus 6 if I like by x plus 1 is equal to 0. That's okay. I don't have to write 1 and 6 in that sequence. I can write 6 and 1. But they do come from these factors. And remember, the coefficient of the x squared is 1, which is why I can go straight to these factors like this. That means x plus 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means that x is equal to negative 6 or x is equal to negative 1. So there are my two solutions here. Let's have a look at one more of these, maybe with a negative number up here, and see how we solve those. Okay, solve x squared minus 8x minus 20. Now we're looking at the factors of negative 20, which add up to negative 8. And you can go through all the usuals. You can go 1 and 20 and 4 and 5, but they don't add up to negative 8. But 2 and 10, there's possibilities. So, because I know the difference between them is equal to 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 as it happens. So I'm looking for which two multiply to give me minus 20 and add up to give me negative 8. So I'm going to need me to make it negative 10 and plus 2. And so now I can write x plus 2 times x minus 10 is equal to 0. So that means that x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 10 is equal to 0, which means that x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to plus 10, and that's my solution there. Okay, now pause the video, have a go at doing these, and then press play when you want to see the solution. Notice, by the way, you're going to be working out factors of 16 in both of them. In one case, the factors are going to add up to negative 8, and in the other ones, the factors are going to add up to plus 10. So, okay, press pause and then have a go. Okay, there's the solution to the first one. Have a look. I'm going to do this one here kind of live. So the roots of 16 would say 1 and 16, no good, 2 and 8, and 4 and 4. They're all the factors actually that I think I said the root of 16, but the factors of 16 that multiply to give me 16. Now they have to add up to give me negative 8. So the way I can do that is by multiplying negative 4 by negative 4. Minus 4 by minus 4 is equal to plus 16. And they add up to give me negative 8. So I'm done. So x minus 4 by x minus 4 is equal to 0. That means x minus 4 equals 0. Or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Same thing. That means x is equal to 4. And this is x equals 4 as well. So that's my solution. I've only got one solution to this one, which happens occasionally. X equals 4. Okay, I hope that helped.